Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, a channel where I will help you grow digitally. So basically, I review digital products that will help you make money online. So it doesn't matter if you are new to this niche and you haven't tried making money online before, or you have already been in this field trying to make money but you haven't succeeded. So here on my channel I review products that will help you make money. So basically for today's video I have a great product that is called Atlantis, and it will help you make money using Instagram. So if you're one of those people who feel comfortable using Instagram and don't want to try other platforms to make money, then this product is a great product for you. So before getting into the product, here's a little introduction to me. Okay, let's get started with Atlantis. I would like to highlight two things here. First of all, the tagline, it says that the software generates ripple effect inside $100 billion website, putting $516 of passive income. So this software will help you make passive income in our pockets every day. So let me remind you that this software is a 3-click setup. You will be able to scale results in 30 minutes or less time. It's a brand new method, plus it's a newbie friendly, and you will not require any extra investment other than the upsells, and it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. But what I wanted to highlight was that there is a free gift for first 100 buyers that also get the Atlantis Profit Maximizer upgrade, which is worth for $997, 100% free. So if you are one of the first 100 buyers, then you will get this upgrade for free. So make sure you get your hands on this software before this slot runs out. So now let me take you to the members area of Atlantis, and I will show you a little demonstration of the software, the basic version of Atlantis software as well. So here you will find the introduction. Meet your Atlantis coaches. So you'll find the introduction here by the digital dames Nanda and Paula, and then there are introduction videos to this whole concept they have shared, and they have laid the blueprint of. So basically you will get a video of the power of visual platforms. So basically people like visual platforms more than the platforms where there is only words. So you must have heard that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So there is another video, creating an eye-catching Instagram profile. So basically these are over-the-shoulder training videos for you, which will help you through the process of setting up your this Atlantis software, and the blueprint they have laid in this software that will help you make money online. Then let's add your money tree. Then how you can add your money tree, on which you will give offers to people. I will share the look of money tree with you as well. So what money tree looks like, what's hot on Insta right now, you will be able to learn this too. Then there is Atlantis traffic software setup. So there will be a set of videos teaching you how you can install this software, the features, There's completely different video for Mac users, and then there's another video for Windows users. So then there is how you can download this software. They will share that with you. So basically the software comes with two types, a basic type, then there is the Atlantis upgrade, so Poseidon. Then you can get this also. Let me tell you about the features of basic software. So you will be able to download your basic edition Atlantis software as per the video lesson. Then note that restricted to a limit of 30 followers and 30 message broadcasts per day. So I will show you the demonstration of what this means in a while. Okay, so then there is how to use Atlantis for maximum impact. They will show you each and everything. They will demonstrate each and everything for you. Then Insta Money Honey. So how to make it rain cash, why a balance of high and low tickets. So these are the videos that will help you getting traffic, set up your affiliate campaign and getting traffic to it and the conversions, obviously. So the rise to fame. So you will be able to make passive income using this software. Then there will be Atlantis bonuses, which you will be able to access as well. And then there are Atlantis upgrades. So they will teach you each and everything, how to set up your, so let me show you a demonstration first. As you can see here, this is the page I created when my laptop broke. So I didn't know what to do. I thought I would make an Instagram page to make money online. While my laptop gets fixed. So here I discovered that there are certain tricks that we need, and only the people who have experienced it before us, before the newbies, they can share with you. Those tricks and hacks will help you succeed. If I try it on my own, since I've created this months ago, and look, I didn't get any followers. So this software will definitely help you get followers, and all the strategy and all the hacks they will share with you, and to get sales and everything, how you can set up your account. They will share the how you can set up your bio and put in your links, affiliate links here, and how you can bring people to your links as well. So how does this software works? When you install the basic version of Atlantis, you will be able, it's a Chrome extension, by the way, so you will be able to access it on your Chrome like this, and it will allow you two options. You can follow the followers of people who are already in your niche, and then you can message broadcast them. So but you can only follow 30 followers, and you can only broadcast messages 30 messages. So let's start with follow followers. Let's say I type in, yeah, J Frontman. Okay, so I want to follow the people. Okay, so let's say I follow him. So the rule is, when you follow people, they follow you back. Most of them follow you back. So where can I find the followers? You go to this list of followers, and then you select follow followers, not the message broadcast, but the follow followers, and you hit start. So it will start requesting the first 30 followers of the person I have selected. So while this process is happening, let's just wait it out. I guess it will take a while. So once it's done, I will get back to you. Okay, so I have reached the limit of following the followers of Jay Frontman. So it stopped the process. So basically, that's how it follows people, the software, and that's how it messages the people. So there's one more thing I would like to add here, that you will be needing to create these posts and letting people to your site. You will be needing, other than this, you will be needing uh, hashtags, which are very important. So I have this amazing bonus on my bonus page, where you will be able to get a software that will help you with the, let me share that software with you. Yes, that's the bonus 4. Yeah, this software that I will be giving you away for free, that's called Boomerang Buddy Pro, which will cover all the things like the hashtag problem for you in this software. So if you want to attract people, you will be needing your post to rank higher, you will be needing the hashtags, the specific hashtags. So this software will solve that problem for you. Other than this, it has complete strategies and all the tools needed to make money with Instagram as well. So it will cover all the things which are not provided in Atlantis, but in this. So this software completely, this bonus completely complements this software. So you will be getting this bonus if you pick the product via the link I will mention in the description. So now let me take you to the top of this bonus page and explain you all my bonuses. So before that, this special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, October 3rd. So make sure you get your hands on this product before this date if you want to get the bonuses. And if you're not interested in the bonuses, then you can click on this page anytime you like and you can secure the copy and not the bonuses, only the copy. Okay, so I will tell you about the upsells as well. So let me tell you about the bonuses first. You will be getting this first bonus, which is called the Access Backlink Warrior, for the first 24 hours only. So this is the software that will help you with the backlinks. So backlinks is basically makes your whatever website or whatever profile you have created authoritative. Authoritative is something that ranks, something that has authority over the others. So basically you will be able to use the you will be able to access this backlink warrior. That's the bonus 1. So now there is bonus 2. You will be able to access Cleopatra, another software, the basic version of this software that will help you with the campaigns. 25 low ticket done for you, high converting campaigns. So you see high converting campaigns, which includes beautifully designed bonus pages. It will include the bonus pages, epic custom made bonuses. It will give you, it will design the bonus pages for you, and it will give you the custom bonuses which you will give out to people, and the professional YouTube review videos as well. Then there is bonus 3 you will be able to access. That's the pro version of Cleopatra. You will be able to get unlimited connects for 10x traffic, plus 2 additional proven high converting done for you funnels that bring commissions raining down on you daily. A selection of advanced keywords that convert in the MMO niche, make money online niche. So I've already explained my 4th bonus, that will solve the problem of hashtags for you. And then there is 5th bonus, all vendor bonuses. If you take action today, you will be able to access these bonuses. You can click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So make sure 4 days are remaining till you get access to this software. And also I want to share that you should be in the top 100 buyers to get the Atlantis Profit Maximizer for free. So now let me take you to the upsells, which you will be getting here, the front end for $17 only, the software and the training modules, the basic software. Then there is an order bump, Atlantis VIP support. So you will be able to get the support of digital dames for $7.97. You'll be having direct access to them. Then there is upsell 1, unlock the beast mode for $47 and $37 is the downsell. So basically throw all the limits overboard and get 10x bigger and faster results with Pro Unlimited and highly advanced edition. Okay, then there is upsell 2, limited beta entry. So this is for dollar limited beta entry is for $997 and $497 is the downsell. So where limited space available, so you basically Asgard is only for action takers and those with motivation and consistency. So the slots are limited for this upgrade. Only 15 students will be able to access this. You will become the digital dames launch partner. You will launch products with them. Then there is upsell 3, the 7 C's income multiplier for $67. The downsell is $47. So you will be getting traffic in this. Then there is 4th upsell, limitless traffic for $37. Again, traffic is the key to sales and commissions. So then there is upsell 5, access the $1,000 days for $97 and downsell is $67. So basically step-by-step video training, you will be able to copy paste the exact done for you campaigns. We used to generate over $1,100 a day, done for you funnels, done for you evergreen webinars, done for you email follow-up series. Then there is upsell 6, Atlantis reseller rights for $67, downsell is $37. So you will be able to resell this Atlantis for $67 and you can keep the profits across the entire funnel. Then there are upsell 7, the accidental income generator for $47, downsell is $27. This hidden gem accidentally found out by our shy Atlantis team member during beta testing pockets. So that's additional $247 you'll be making with this upsell. So that's it for these upsells. So if you like the product and you want to get your hands on it and the bonuses, click here to secure your copy and the bonuses. Thank you for watching the review on Atlantis. Make sure you subscribe the channel so that you get notified every time I post a video on how to make money online.